Hello, my dear sister. Yan. Kamusta ka na dyan? 60 ka na. Nais ko lamang batiin ka ng isang maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan.
Happy birthday sa welcome sa senior.
Yan.
Marami kang makukuha dito kung sa Manila ka.
Anyway, happy birthday! Happy birthday to our beautiful sister. Our source of encouragement every day. We are so grateful to the Lord because binigay ka niya sa amin bilang kapatid. Very loving, very a source of happiness, our confidante, our minsan financial advisor din sa aming mga pag-aayos ng aming mga finances, and especially sa aming mga health. Thank you for your advice every day sa aming mga health, sa pag-aalaga ng aming mga katabang lupa na madalas napapabayaan namin because sobrang busy namin. Ikaw talagang hindi lang healthy ang katawan mo, kundi pati mind mo healthy rin, kaya ikaw ang nagiging source namin ng lahat ng mga nangyayari sa amin, our advisor. Maraming salamat kay Lord kasi binigay ka niya sa amin. Anyway, welcome to Senior World. Happy birthday our Carmina ng family. Happy birthday sis. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, my sister. My beautiful sister, Carmina. 60 ka na pala. Declaring a good health and long life para sa iyo. At salamat sa pag-aalaga mo kay Ima. Ikaw talagang nagsakripisyo para sa kanya. Maraming salamat, ate. At sana laging malusog ang iyong pangatawan. Happy birthday, te.
Happy birthday! God bless you!
Ate, happy birthday. Salamat mag-aalaga mo, Eva. At sana I pray na magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday and more blessings to come. At hope to see you soon there. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa.
Happy birthday, ate!
Ayan, prayer namin sa iyo. Wala kasi yung dalawa, nasa Bible study pa. At prayer namin sa iyo, long life of course, good health, and also yung strength mo, yung pagiging super lola and super mom. At of course yung pagiging very wonderful daughter mo kay Ima at pag-aalaga. We pray na magkaroon ka ng mahabang buhay at saka yung promise ni God sa iyo. And let the desire of your heart ay maging in line sa will ng Panginoon. And we are so blessed na ikaw ang aming ate. And we love you. Okay? Bye-bye.
God bless, te.
Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hello, Nina. Happy 60th birthday. Hindi ako nakapunta ngayon ng Canada kasi sobrang busy ngayon dito. Alam mo naman, ang ating Mami Maze, nawa sana'y lumago siya at lumaki. Excited na ako na dumating ka ulit dito para makapamasyal tayo. Tayo na rin dito, pupunta tayo na ulit ng La Union. Happy birthday, Ninang. Ang gagawin ko sana, ano na lang letter na lang sana kasi baka mamaya maiyak na naman ako dito. Makita ng mga customer ko, may nagdadrama dito. Una sa lahat, gusto magpa-thank you sa lahat ng ginagawa mo sa amin. Lalo na sa Bible study namin, na nandyan ka, walang sawang tinuturuan kami. Basta yun lang no more drama. Happy birthday, Ninang. Mahal na mahal kita.
Happy birthday!
happy birthday po, Ninang Lisa. I thank the Lord for you. You are a blessing to us, your family, your pamangkins, your apos. And you are an inspiration to me po personally. And I bless the Lord for having a ninang and a tita like you. And hope and I pray that the Lord will continue to bless you as you seek His will in your life. Thank you po and God bless you. Happy birthday to you, to Jesus be true. God bless you and keep you the whole year through. Say happy birthday po,
Happy birthday po.
Lola Lisa.
Lola Lisa.
We love you.
We love you.
God bless you.
God bless
Oh,
you.
thank you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Wawa Lisa. God bless you. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Tita Liz! Happy 60th birthday po! I pray na bigyan ka pa ng Lord ng mas mahaba, healthy, and a life that is full of purpose. I pray also na lagi kayong safe dyan and we really miss you. Hope to see you soon po. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Liza. Thank you so much, Tita Liza, sa mga tulong mo sa amin, sa aming pamilya, sa Four Angels, kay JC. And thank you sa iyong generosity dahil isa ka sa mga nakatulong sa pag-aaral ko. At thank you sa iyong mga pasalubong palagi sa amin. And Tita Lisa is the kind of tita na parang pinsan mo lang or kaibigan. Sobrang chill lang kasama, ganon. Parang bagets na bagets ang personality. Young at heart, kumbaga. And I know my cousins here in the Philippines and my titos and titas would agree that iba talaga ang impact pag narinig ang pangalan ni Tita Lisa. Kasi may pasalubong at may outing. Joke. Kidding aside, thank you so much, Tita Lisa, for everything. And thank you so much sa pag-aalaga kay Apong Mary. Pinagpapala ni Lord ang mga nagmamahal sa kanilang magulang. And I pray for more sales to come, more clients, at maraming bahay pa ang mabenta. And good health and for you to be happy for the rest of your life. Continue to serve God and continue to be used by God mightily. Thank you, Tita Lisa, for everything. This is Rai Rai. God bless. Love, Rai Rai.
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa. And thank you dahil tinrit mo ako sa Boracay. Talagang hindi ko makakalimutan. And thank you lagi sa mga pasalubong mo. And the best thing about you that I could ever think of is you're the glue of the family. Ikaw yung nag-i-stick sa Angeles family to maging intact pa rin together. And so, kahit anong maging season ng buhay, nagkakaroon ng new family members, you still manage na mapagsama-sama. And that is good. Para hindi rin makalimutan ng isa't isa. Yung bawat isa. So, ayan. Happy birthday, Tita Lisa. And more years to come. Thank you so much sa lahat. And, ayaw tapusin. Lagi kayo mag-ingat din sa Canada. Bye! Happy birthday, Tita Lisa!
Happy birthday, Ninang Lisa!
Happy birthday po, Ninang Lisa. Marami pong salamat sa walang hanggang tulong at suporta niyo po sa aming pamilya kahit napakalayo niyo po sa amin. Magkikita po ulit tayo soon. We wish you a very good health and continuous wisdom from the Lord. Salamat po ulit sa pag-alaga niyo po sa aming pamilya, lalong-lalo na po kila Mama at kay Apo. Maraming pong salamat. God bless po. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi Mom, happy 60th birthday. I just wanted to say how eternally grateful I am to be your daughter, and I understand how hard you have worked and how much you have sacrificed for me and for the rest of the family. And now that I'm living in Toronto, I have been missing your company and your cooking all the time, and I just appreciate the little things you do for me, like when you make my bed when I'm not at home. I love you.
Hi Mom, I wanted to take a moment to wish you a happy birthday and thank you for everything you've done. I appreciate all the help and the support you've given me. I hope you have a great birthday and take some time to enjoy yourself. Again, thanks for everything and happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Mom. You know, you've always been the heart of our family, guiding us, cheering us on, and showing support to one another. I just want to say how grateful I am and for everything that you've done and continue to do. You've made such an incredible impact on all of our lives, and I'm so proud of that. So enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Lisa. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy 60th birthday.
We love you.
We love you, Lola.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you for everything.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Flying kiss.
Thank you.
La, 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 la.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.